Let's start with a cup of sweet original barbecue sauce. Heat up your oven-safe skillet over medium heat and pour in the sauce. Now to this, add an 8-ounce bar of room-temperature cream cheese. Simmer and stir until these two meld into a delicious union. This should take about 5 minutes. Having achieved a smooth, velvety mixture, it's time to introduce sharp cheddar cheese into the mix. Stir in 1½ cups of this shredded delight, saving a little for later. Now it's time for the 1/2 bag of Italian-Style Mini Meatballs, thawed. Arrange them over the cheesy goodness, then sprinkle the remaining cheddar on top. Bake this skillet of joy until it's light golden brown, and the meatballs are heated through. This should take around 15 to 20 minutes. Garnish your masterpiece with chopped red onion and fresh cilantro. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.